Being a car enthusiast, I'm a fan of good, reliable motors. That's my van right there, Ford V10. This is my brother-in-law's Mustang. He bought it brand new in 2011. It has the 3.7 V6. And I'm gonna show you guys how many miles it has on it. He's about to sell it because he bought a new car. So I wanted to get a quick video of it before I never see it again. He's just gonna sell it to CarMax. Let me know in the comments how much you think CarMax is gonna give him for this thing. Original owner, 2011 Mustang. 197,170 miles on this. Just short of 200,000 miles. No cracks on the dashboard. Really good for a car that's more than 10 years old. Original owner, 2011 Mustang, 3.7 V6. Almost 200,000 miles on this motor. My brother-in-law is the original owner of this car. He bought it in 2012. It was a 2011 model. At the time, he wanted a base model two-door Nissan Altima with a 2.5 four-cylinder motor. That car was $25,000. I told him to look at a base model Mustang, same price, a lot more horsepower. The car guy in me appreciates this motor. Sometimes it's not about having the most horsepower. That being said, this is still 305 horsepower, but sometimes it's all about having a reliable car that'll get you to work and that will last you a very long time. Original owner, 2012 is 2024 now. My brother-in-law drove this for 12 years. And what went wrong with this car in the 12 years he had it? It needed a new water pump, no big deal. And these V6 Mustangs are limited to 110 miles per hour electronically, I believe, because they have a plastic drive shaft. So this had a drive shaft failure. I believe it was like $1,000 fix. But that's it. So if this thing had a proper drive shaft and no electronic speed limiter, this probably could go 150 miles per hour, being 300 horsepower. But yeah, that's it, you know. Of course, Ford has to make the V6 less than the V8, so it's limited to 110, but still 305 horsepower, nearly 200,000 miles on this motor. Well done. I'm really impressed. 3.7 V6. This was put in a lot of cars. It's the equivalent of the GM 3.6 V6 and the Dodge Pentastar motor, base model engines for their muscle cars, and then put into a bunch of vehicles like pickups and, you know, vans. So this is their workhorse motor. That's what this engine is. This is the workhorse motor, put in everything. And when a car manufacturer makes so many motors, they perfect it. So there it is, 3.7. I'm impressed. Original owner. A little dirty, but this motor has been dirty since this car was 3 years old. My brother-in-law cared for this car, but he's not like a car enthusiast where he's gonna wash the motor, keep it clean all the time. But yeah, like I said, I'm a car enthusiast. Here's my van. And when I bought my second van, I wanted the V10. My first van had the V8 5.0. This second van has a 6.8 V10. I wanted this motor because they're known to last 300,000 plus miles, and they're put into much bigger vehicles like F-650s and shuttle buses. So I figure this motor will do well in a vehicle that's much smaller. I'm just under 150,000 miles on this 99 Econoline, so hopefully it'll hit 300,000. But yeah, well done, Mustang. Well done. I should put a note in it. My sister's Mazda 3, I didn't put a note in. I also made a video of it when it hit 200,000 miles. But the crazy thing is, the new owner found my YouTube video. I should leave a note in this car. check this car out on John Drives Anything. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the glove box right now. Hopefully CarMax doesn't take this out of the car. There it is. Original one owner Mustang. He still has the owner's manual. 2011. Put it in here. And hopefully CarMax leaves this in here so the next owner finds this. So next owner, stop by my channel. Here's the replacement car. Cadillac CT4. In 12 years, I hope that I can report back that this motor hit 200,000 miles. And here's my 99 40 Econoline E350 with the V10, 146,565 miles. Hopefully this thing sees 300,000.